Hi everyone, I'm Dawn. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting with me today. So in this video, we are going to do a look inspired by the original Bride of Frankenstein, like the classic one. And we're gonna start with liquid latex because I wanna put the scars down, give them a little time to dry, and then do the rest of the makeup. So I'm going to use a little bit of liquid latex. Rigid collodion would be very good for this. Yeah, rigid collodion or liquid latex I think would be the best for this particular look. Now, I'm going to take a paintbrush, just an old cheap paintbrush. I don't mind messing up. And we're going to, you want it to be a skinny one though. And there's even a little paint on this. It doesn't matter. So her scar kinda is above her ear. I need my mirror. And this won't take long to, okay. Okay, so we're just gonna sit that and let it dry, and I'll just get everything else together. Okay. I'm gonna start applying foundation. Now she's not like white. We're not gonna use white paint. The reason people think she's white colored is because, or gray, is because she was in black and white. But she's not. I mean, I'm really doing the look inspired by her, so I could always do a Frankenstein green or whatever if I wanted to. And this one right here, once it dries, I'm gonna peel it off. I'm not gonna use this one. I've corrected it. This is a super simple look. Just giving someone out there an idea for Halloween. The most expensive part of this is probably the wig, but you don't have to use a wig. You can use black and white hairspray from Walmart. I would recommend the wig because it is hard on the hair. And you'll see the wig towards the end. And, you know, a white gown, and if you really want to be authentic, wrap your arms in gauze. Very simple and basic. Okay, this is the part I don't want to use, and you'll see how easy it comes off. Now, if it was a big piece of latex, you would want to be very careful about how you take it off and remove it with Mirastat, isopropyl Mirastat. Which you can get on Amazon. And the reason, you can just draw them on too. You don't even have to use liquid latex. I'm just doing it for the purpose of texture. So if someone wants to do it for texture, you'll know how. And now it's pretty much dry, so we can go ahead and finish the makeup. Ugh. And then if we need to add more liquid latex, we certainly can. This bottom one is nice and thick. I think I'm going to add another layer. Okay. I'm sorry, I keep burping. Okay, now while that dries, we're gonna go ahead and do her eyebrows. Which are quite simple. They're straight but angled. They're actually straighter than that, but I wanted to angle them a little. I wanted to use them a little bit to cover my natural eyebrow. Not that there's much to my natural eyebrow. And I'm really just using black liquid eyeliner for this. Okay. Okay. And her lips are a dark red. So we're still waiting on that to dry. But yeah, her lips are a dark red. So we're just gonna go over it in a matte lipstick. Okay. I'm almost out of this. And if the red doesn't matte down to dark enough, I'll just use a little black on it. I have a million red lipsticks though. Okay. I think I want, yeah, I think that's good. So now we're going to take a brush, and you can go over it in black or red if you want. I'm going for red. And then I'm going to calm down that red with maybe black. And I'm just kind of bouncing it on there. And that's just kind of helping it get in any kind of creases that the latex created. And that also helps with the texture. Okay. Now, I'm not even gonna wipe it off of here. I'm just going to get in here. I'm just using my Flash palette. Now, the classic Bride of Frankenstein is not, she doesn't have a lot of makeup on, but I think I'm just gonna give her a little smeared eyeliner. And for that, I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner because it's gonna be easier for me to smear. It's already smeared a little bit here. So you just kind of lay it, and then you just, while it's still wet, you drag it down a little bit. Sometimes you could even use the wand to help with that. There you go. Okay, and we're gonna get in here. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of white and just to highlight a little bit. Okay, such an easy makeup look. Now I'm gonna put my hair, put the wig on and the dress on, and then you'll see it together. You're not gonna see the whole dress, but you're gonna see enough of it to get the gist. Okay, here it is. And then it's just a white gown. This has big bell sleeves. You don't need that. Just any white, plain white gown. You can get one for about $25 at Spirit Halloween. I could also show you, I don't think I need to with this wig, but if you wanted to, you can pull your natural hair through, brush it up, and hairspray it down, and then either use a black hairspray if your hair isn't black, or hair paint and paint it down, and the wig will blend more naturally. But that's it. It's just a super simple makeup look. The scar and the dress is the most important part. Nice red lip and brows. It's so easy. It's super duper easy, and you can do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye. Oh, and if you take pictures like this, edit them to black and white because they will look great.